Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this Nissan GT-R R35 Liberty Walk, the PURPLEZILLA. As the name suggests, we have it in purple with black accents. This is a new release from Solido at the 1/18 scale. It's a metallic model and features opening doors and functional steering as all Solido models do. Let's start in the front. A lot of carbon fiber texture. We have here some carbon fiber texture also on these parts here. The headlights look pretty good. We have the bonnet in the carbon fiber texture and another design, the normal GT-R. We have the GT-R logo there in the front. Also we have Liberty Walk logo there on the intercooler, and a huge front splitter with also in carbon fiber. Next we have the wheels, which look pretty good. Also we have tire rating on them with Advan in this case, and of course we have the brake disc and brake caliper, and on the brake caliper, I don't know if you can see, but it's written Brembo. Some more carbon fiber here on the side as well. In the back everything looks pretty good. We have this huge wing that also has carbon fiber texture on the main part, and also this huge diffuser with the exhaust tips. We have the Nissan logo there in the center and the GT-R logo. One thing, this model comes in the box with the wing removed, so if you don't like the wing, the style of the wing like this, you can remove it and have a time attack or a drag version. Underneath the model, not many details, only the exhaust, which goes all the way to the back. Let's open the door to see the interior. There we go. The interior looks pretty good. We have a lot of detail, especially on the dash. So we have the seats, which look pretty good. Let me open the passenger door, the driver door actually as well. Again, a good amount of details for a Solido model. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about the model? Do you like these versions or the other versions that Solido released? Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.